Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix Roblox game client not starting error. Chapter 1. How to fix Roblox game client not starting error configuring parameters. To start, right-click on the Roblox Studio shortcut, click on Properties. First, in the Run field, you are going to select the minimized option. After that, go to the Compatibility tab. Here, check the Run this program in compatibility mode for box and choose Windows 7. After this, check the boxes, run this program as an administrator and disable full screen optimizations. When doing so, click Apply and OK. Chapter 2. How to fix error Roblox game client not starting error checking compatibility. To begin, right-click on the Roblox Studio shortcut, click on Properties. You are going to go to the Compatibility tab. Here, click on Run Compatibility Troubleshooter. In the wizard that opens, you can interact to find the problem and correct it. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.